What's going on, guys? Partly Cloudy 531. Got one package coming from the man, purplegt22. He said he had some Chipper Jones cards that he wanted to send out my way, but this is a pretty hefty package. Note here, Matt, here are a few cards for your PC. Have a Merry Christmas, brother. Enjoy. Go Falcons and go Braves. Man, lots of color in here. Matt Ryan, Purple Refractor from 2010 or 2011. It's 2011. Numbered out of 499. That's awesome. And the Orange Refractor. Orange isn't numbered. And the blue, numbered out of 199. Work done from Turkey Red. Jersey card of Michael Turner, from 2011 certified. And this is from Bowman's Best, Khalil Hill. Autograph, numbered out of 199. What year is this? This is 2002. Holy cow. And this awesome Michael Turner autograph from, what is this from? Donruss Elite, 2011 Donruss Elite. Numbered out of 17. Holy cow, it's die cut too. That is awesome. And then here's some Brave stuff right here. Jason Hayward from Bowman's Best. Did not have that. DeMaster Delgado, purple. It's numbered out of 799. The Matt Lipka, purple. Chris Masters, Jason Hayward from Bowman Chrome, rookie card. Chipper Jones from Bowman's Best. That is a sweet card right there. That is from 1997. Man, that is awesome right there. Chipper Jones jersey card from Allen and Ginner. Chipper Jones jersey card from Topps Chrome, Jack of all trades. It's a sweet card. From 1996 score, Chipper Jones All-Stars. And from Fleer Hardball, Chipper Jones again. Fleer Authentics, two of them, different parallels. This one's numbered out of 150, and this one is not numbered. And this is Fleer Ultra from 1998. This is a cool card. It's like raised, you can't really tell, but the glove is raised up on there. And this awesome card with a sweet hologram. Yeah, you can see it on there. Man, that thing is sick. Bound for Glory. It's from, see, that's 1996 as well. And then this Tom Glavine refractor from Topps Chrome. I just got stuck to this. Martin Prado orange refractor. Autograph card. Steve Finch. I am not gay. As of 12/4/12. Mark that down. Steve Finch is not gay. Man, look at that one. Uncirculated from E-Tops. Chipper Jones. It is a sweet card. Don't see any numbering on it. These are usually short printed. Maybe they just didn't print the numbers on them. But that's from 2002. Man, that is awesome. I don't even know what to say about that, Steve. Way more than I expected. This one right here might be my favorite. That's pretty cool. But then this Michael Turner. Can't believe you sent me that Michael Turner, especially when you collect Falcons. Straight out of your PC right there. Awesome card. This one right here is sweet. And I don't even know what to say about that. That's an unbelievable package. Really appreciate it. I definitely owe you big time for that. It's going to be awesome putting these in my binders and adding those sweet cards to my PC. But that is all I got. Thanks for watching, guys.